Hello everybody and welcome. This is a couple days, if you were following me on any of the Facebook groups, I was talking about going to pick up a box of free floppy disks. Most of which is old, is actual software. Sorry if the quality is kind of not there because I'm using a different camera and even a different tripod, but it is actually, and I can't really see the screen too well. I'm just going to go through real quick what some of this is. Got Word 6.0 discs, 9 discs of that. Act 4.0, whatever that is, I don't recognize that one. Photo Paint 5 to be exact. Wow. How many of these discs are there? 23. This is Microsoft Office Professional. And I'm trying to see what... It doesn't say which one it is on the disc, but it's from about 1994. So it's probably not that difficult to find out what it is. And this is Lotus Suite, Smart Suite 3.1 for Windows. Now over here, I have Microsoft mouse, IntelliPoint mouse, Western Digital hard drive. There's apparently 2 discs of that. I'm just going to grab a handful of these. Have STB Systems Horizons. This is all for Gateway 2000. This is drivers. Microsoft CD-ROM. Max Blast Hard Disk Manager. More Disk Manager. You know what? Hold on. I'll put these back in the order they came in. Card driver. Some sort of card driver. LandSmart. This is all D-Link stuff. Sound Blaster 16 for Windows 95. Wow. Plug and play for what? It just says utility driver. I don't know what that is. Super Win ICU. Diagnostics. CompuServe Net Launcher. CompuServe. Central Point Utilities Emergency Disk. Expert Mouse. Oh, this. Oh, never mind that. Oh, this. This has to be good. We're going to have to check this out. We got Super WinWare, 1001 Windows Tips, Cell Superbook, something WinNet, Computer Witchcraft Incorporated, whatever the hell that's supposed to be. And then I'll go to these tan ones. Sidekick, whatever that is. This is more gateway stuff. Cool Tools Utilities. ATI. I don't know what a lot of this stuff is, so if any of you know, let me know. Sargon 3, if I'm not mistaken, that's a game. This is a flight simulator. And just more utility stuff. Built-in block software. CD-ROM driver. PCI adapter, or Ethernet adapter. Ethernet adapter. Ethernet adapter. SMC 8000, I'm assuming that's another, Ooh! I think we have some good stuff here. System disk. Oh man, I only see one of them. It says, I don't know if that's going to focus or not. But that's, says to boot from this disk to install MS-DOS 6.2 6.22 or your CD-ROM drivers, and then there's NetWare client for Microsoft Windows. And then I'll take a look at the rest of these. WFWG 3.1, Windows for Workgroups. Okay. Oh, and then I have DOS 6.2, WinSpeed, Goldmine. I'm assuming that's a game. There's a serial number. I don't care if you. I mean, if you need it, you need it. Double your disk capacity. Now this could be interesting. I've never ran this version, and I might try this. Oh, it might help to actually. It's a gateway disk, Windows 3.11. Hopefully, it'll let me install it on a non-gateway computer. Which brings me to my next thing. I knew that those were in there because that was pictured on the ad. I did not know about the Windows for Workgroups or the DOS 6.22. Now, or DOS 6.2, whatever that is. Now, here's what I'm going to ask of you. If you would like to see me bring back the 486 that I did a video about maybe several months ago, let me know. Please, put in the comments, hey, I would like to see you do that. The reason I'm asking for that is because I would like to install some of this stuff like the Microsoft Office on there, Photo Paint, just see what the 486 will run like. I guess that's pretty much it at this point. Is I just want to know what you guys think. Would you like to see me do that? And because I will gladly do that. So please leave a comment. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.